Hey guys, welcome to the Overbooked tutorial. In this lesson, you'll learn about the My Calendar feature, a landing page to help you increase fan engagement. Now that you've added an event to your calendar, you'll definitely need to put them in a place so fans can see. We've got you covered. Every Overbooked user gets a personalized landing page that you can customize and go from this to this in just a few clicks. From the app's main menu, select the Manage My Web Calendar option to launch the Manage My Web Calendar dialog. From this dialog, you can personalize your Overbooked web calendar with an image from your phone's gallery in just a few simple steps. First, select an image. Then choose an aspect ratio. Press the crop button to save the image, and your web calendar is ready to go. Now you're ready to share your personalized web calendar with fans using the share icon in the menu bar. With the Overbooked My Web Calendar, you've just upgraded your flyer with the power of the internet. Now, fans can get more information, get directions, subscribe to automated emails, and there's that call to action again. So you see, the Overbooked app is the quickest way to grow your fan base and go from opening act to the star of the show, helping you build a database of true fans so promotion becomes easy and effective. Congratulations on configuring your Overbooked web calendar and taking the first step to building your fan base.